Hi guys, Ryan here from LessPest More Control on the Gold Coast, Termite and Pest Specialist. We installed this Trelona and Termidor HE barrier 6 months ago in 2020, and we're now in 21, and the termites have obviously just hit the Trelona stations. And some people might ask me, well, you know, how do we know these Trelona stations are actually working? And today I've got a little bit of a footage to show you what they actually do. So let's turn around and have a look. Trelona stations are a bait that is always active, and we can actually see these little brown bits is the actual termite packing that they've actually packed up the station around the bait already. So these stations in ground, they're really great. They have bait in the station 24/7. And then let's just pull it out and have a look at what it looks like under it. They don't actually consume a lot of this bait. So we can see that they've got their packing through it and are quite around it already. And we can also see in the second cartridge that the packing's around it already, so we know that they're obviously down there and feeding on the Trelona bait. And we can see right here it's actually more extensive on the bait than in other areas, which is really great. Compared to like an Xterra station bait, they'd probably eat all this out in about 3 weeks. So that's the great beauty of Trelona, which is a Nova Fluoron. They don't eat it all out straight away, so that's continuously working. If you guys need a termite inspection on the Gold Coast or a Trelona baiting treatment, give us a call at LessPest. Have a good day, guys. Bye bye.